In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a form in Paperform. We're going to walk through the basic process of building a dynamic interface inside Paperform, from creating your account all the way to publishing your form and getting a live link you can share. If you're new to the platform, don't worry, this is a very beginner-friendly workflow, and once you understand the layout, it becomes quick and intuitive. To begin, create your account and log into the Paperform main dashboard. This is the central area where you'll manage your forms, access your projects, and start building new experiences. If this is your first time using the platform, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard layout before moving on. That small pause can make the next steps feel much easier. Once you're inside, click the Create Form button to start building your dynamic interface. This opens the Form Builder, where you'll create the structure and content of your form. Think of this space as your editing canvas. It's where you'll shape how your form looks, what information it collects, and how users will interact with it. Next, use the structural element blocks to add the pieces you need. These blocks allow you to insert text, fields, logic, and payment methods into the form. Text elements are helpful for headings, instructions, or short explanations that guide the user through the experience. Fields are what collect information, so you can use them to capture responses in a clean and organized way. Logic elements help make the form feel more dynamic. For example, they can control what a person sees based on a previous answer, which makes the experience more personalized and efficient. If your form involves collecting payments, you can also add payment methods directly into the interface. As you build, it's a good idea to review how everything is laid out so the form stays easy to read and simple to complete. When your form is ready, click Publish to make it live. This step generates a live URL that you can share with your audience. Before sending it out, take a final look to make sure the content, flow, and functionality all match what you want people to experience. A quick review at the end can help you catch anything small before others interact with it. And that's it. You've created a form, customized it with the right building blocks, and published it for others to use. Once you're comfortable with this process, you'll be able to create forms much faster and with more confidence.